This is Project Slow Horse, an unmistakable force in motion. Powered by our GM LS3 V8, this 110 delivers effortless strength wrapped in quiet sophistication. A blend of muscle and control, with high-performance ALCON brakes and E.C.D's road suspension, ensuring every movement feels intentional. Clad in quantum grey eggshell paint, anchored by Narvik black accents and 20-inch Kahn Mondial retro wheels. Slow Horse commands attention without raising its voice. Inside, contrast takes the lead. Silver and black leather, red seatbelts, and billet metal finishes craft an interior that's both modern and timeless. It's a study in restraint and power, exceptionally designed for comfort, built for command. Hellet LED lighting, worn winch, and full external cage make this machine as capable as it is beautiful. From the UV-protected panoramic roof to the hand-stitched dash, every inch reflects E.C.D's commitment to detail. Project Slow Horse, strength refined, elegance untamed, handcrafted for the journey ahead.